Today is officially 2017 and here are 20 free Android applications that you might find useful throughout this year. Just want to clarify that none of these apps are sponsored, so in other words, they didn't pay me to put them in this video. This is all honest opinion here and I truly do use all these applications in my day-to-day use. Thank you. 1. Wally. Starting it off with a wallpaper app, Wally provides tons of free wallpapers that you can't find anywhere else. This is not your typical backgrounds app with the same usual photos found on the internet. Instead, it's a collection of high quality walls from an exclusive community of very talented artists. The one I am using on my phone is called Beta CMYK. You can set it, download it, and favorite it. It's all there. 2. Navbar apps. If you're tired of the same old navigation bar, you can use this app to spice things up a bit. This allows you to change the color of your navbar based on the currently running app, select cool backgrounds for a unique look, display your battery level, and much more. It doesn't require root and it's very simple to use. All you need is a navigation bar and you're ready to go. 3. Pyrope browser. Based on the CyanogenMod browser and Chromium, Pyrope is a great alternative to Google Chrome with plenty of useful features. You have an ad blocker, incognito mode to search privately, a power saving mode to improve battery life by restricting performance, night mode, immersive mode, edge navigation, a dynamic notification bar to change the status bar color based on the website you're on, offline reading, and so much more. Plus, if your phone has a Snapdragon processor, then you will experience an increase in performance by 10 to 40%, making this faster than most browsers on the Play Store. 4. PhotoScan. This is a new scanner app from Google Photos that lets you scan and save your favorite printed photos just by using your phone's camera, and it works just fine. It's also very easy to use, getting rid of any glare, has automatic cropping based on edge detection, and backs up those photos on the cloud so you always have those memories with you. 5. Movies. This app displays a music visualizer beneath your navbar while listening to a song or watching a YouTube video, and you don't even need to have a phone with virtual navbars to join in. The app works on the bottom of the screen for standard phones too. These are pretty neat visualizations that you can customize to your likings with plenty of templates to choose from. Personally, I like to keep it simple and subtle, but you can go crazy if you like. It also only enables when there is actual sound playing on your device, so it gets out of the way when you're not listening to anything. 6. Tiles. This is for those who have Android Nougat, so if your phone is still on Marshmallow or below, you should skip to the next app. Anyways, this is a great way to create new and unique tiles on your quick settings panel with plenty of commands to choose from. I can quickly retrieve weather conditions, enter demo mode, set a reminder to be shown as a notification, set the system-wide animation value, and so much more. Plus, most tiles that pop up with a window have amazing animations with a materialized look, and the custom icons fit in well with your default icons. 7. Prisma Beta. Prisma is a photo app that applies a series of artistic filters to your photos and allows you to share the final result to your social feeds and save them on your phone as well. There's plenty of filters to choose from, and they're not your typical Instagram filters. Each filter practically turns each photo into an amazing painting. It's pretty intense stuff. I've shared the beta version with you because it should get fixes and enhanced features before the other listing on the Play Store. 8. Parallel windows for Nougat. Once again, Android Nougat, so yeah. If you happen to use a split window mode in Android Nougat, then you should try out parallel windows as it lets you run 2 copies of the same app in split screen. Normally it's 1 app per panel, but this app includes a mirror option to get rid of that limitation. To take it one step further, it also provides a floating mini app drawer and an on-screen shortcut to toggle split screen. It's still in its early stages, but it gets the job done. 9. Opera VPN. This is a free VPN by Opera that blocks ad trackers and lets you change your virtual location to access web content that may be blocked in your home country. It's easily one of the fastest and most reliable VPN services for your smartphone, with an extra option to determine your Wi-Fi security level to see if there are any potential threats on your network. It may not be the most secure VPN as it's completely free, but it's a great ease of use for anyone who wants an unlimited VPN. 10. Inkwire. This is a screen sharing app made by Kush that allows you to share your screen with another device, letting you help someone with a problem or issue they may have on their phone while being miles away from them. All you need to do is give or type in an access code from either user, and from there you can access someone else's home screen. You may not be able to control their phone, but you can guide the end user by drawing on their screen and talking to them through a voice chat feature. So if your parents or grandma calls you about a phone problem, you know what to do. 11. Trusted contacts. If for some reason you like to share your exact renewable location with people you trust, then this app is for you. You can request someone's location and the other user can accept or deny that request. Not only that, but if you're unable to respond to the request in a total of 5 minutes, maybe because you lost your phone or you're in a sketchy situation, then Google will automatically share your location to the trusted contacts. This is great if you have kids or a loved one and want to know where they are at all times. 12. Isotope periodic table. If you're in school and you need a well-informed periodic table, then check out Isotope. The interface is beautiful with all the elements at your disposal. If you tap on one, then you can see plenty of detailed stats just about that one element. You even have a search feature if you can't find what you're looking for, and to top it all off, there are no ads and has rich animations, so if you're taking a science class, you should try this out. 13. Control F. If you have long physical documents that you have to search through for a specific term, then try out Control F. With a simple scan using your device's camera, you'll be able to search the entire page within seconds for that specific word. It uses character recognition, so type papers work best, and it even works in multiple languages. 14. Pictures. This is a cool way to show emotion instead of the traditional emojis. They're like little text arts that you can copy and paste whenever you please. There's many to choose from, so if you're feeling angry, happy, sad, or artistic, you can find one that suits you best in your situation. 15. Friendly for Facebook. So if you use the original Facebook app, you know how much of a mess it is. I even made a video explaining how Facebook slows down your phone. So now I bring you a great alternative that has both Facebook and Facebook Messenger into one complete materialized app. It's fast, light, and has everything you'd find in the regular Facebook app, but more. There's even an option to quickly switch accounts, hide or highlight posts by a keyword, and an ad blocker if you get the full version. So until Facebook gets it together, I'd use this app for now. 16. Stream. Stream lets you play any YouTube video in a floating window. This is great if you don't have YouTube Red and want the sound to keep playing in the background, or want to watch a video and use Twitter or Instagram at the same time. It still won't allow you to play the video while your phone is locked, but it's a great third-party app if you want to watch a YouTube video and multitask at the same time. 17. Contextual app folder. This interesting app pops up a folder on your home screen with certain apps that you need according to a variety of triggers. For example, if I connect to a Bluetooth speaker, I can have Spotify, my music player, and Instagram pop up within this folder right away. Other triggers include GPS, Wi-Fi connections, plugging in a charger or headset, call status, and so forth. This is perfect for those who need certain apps for certain situations right on their home screen. 18. Universal copy. Sometimes you just want to copy certain text from an app and you cannot use the default Android long press. Well, with Universal Copy, you can copy any text to your clipboard no matter what app it is. For example, if I go to Twitter and I want to copy a tweet, I can just open my notification tray, tap on Universal Copy, tap the text I want to copy, which will then highlight blue, and then click on copy. It's pretty simple, yet very useful. 19. Open link with. This lets you quickly open links in an alternate browser or apps. Let's say you tap on a link with a YouTube video and it somehow opens up in the browser instead of the YouTube app. Well, from there, you can share the web page to open link with, and it will automatically open the exact YouTube video on the YouTube app. It's perfect for quickly switching over to the appropriate app that happened to open up in the browser instead. 20. Flinks. Flinks lets you open articles and links from any app with a floating bubble. This is great if you want to load multiple articles in the background while you continue using your current app. It also has an easy to read feature, offline web viewing, and if you want true multitasking for your browsing experience, I don't see why you shouldn't have this browser installed as well. So those are the 20 applications you should definitely try out this year, 2017. If you want to see the top 20 games of 2017 or the previous top games and apps of 2016, I will leave that link right below that like button. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, as most of our content is pretty great just like this video. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, and I will see you guys in the next one. Kapow!